Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover permanently deleted files in Windows 11, even if you have cleared your recycle bin or if you have used Shift plus Delete. Don't worry, there are still some of the safest ways to get your files back. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you will have to simply just right click on the taskbar. Then you need to come here in the settings of your account. Over here in your settings, simply go to the accounts section. Over here you are going to see the option of Windows backup. Now if you had any file history or the OneDrive sync, you just have to simply turn it on and you can restore your deleted files with the help of this particular option very easily. Now you can open your OneDrive and there too you will find a recycle bin. From there you can restore your files and you can get them back in your accounts folders. Now, if the backup ain't available, you can download the Windows File Recovery from Microsoft Store. So here on your Microsoft Store, you need to simply just first of all log in here with the help of your Microsoft account. After that, you just have to simply use this search bar and search for Windows File Recovery. Now once you search for it, this is the file which you need to get. So click on the option of get and it will come on your device. After its installation, there is one command which you need to add here. I will put that in the description. So with the help of that command, basically you will be able to get all of your files back, whether it is photos, videos or more. Now if the official tools doesn't help you, you can also try some of the trusted applications. For that you can just simply open your Chrome web browser. Over here you can search for some of the applications, like we have Rakuva, then we have the other application with the name is US Data Recovery. So you can also use these particular platforms in order to get your data back. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.